Morning guys, ito ang una kong duty. Tagababa ng pinagkainan at pinag-inikon at pinag-inuman ng mama niya. Ito naman ang gagawin ko dito sa baba pagkatas pagkape. Ang hinugasan ko kagabi. Ito guys, mga hinugasan ko din po itong mga to. Nilagay ko lang dito sa dishwasher para mas madaling matuyo.
Magandang umaga po! Mag-school na po ako!
Yan si Kun guys, waiting for the taxi. Nice weather ngayon, pero syempre maginaw pa rin.
Okay. Super Info was insult everyone by saying that meat is salud and Chinese is halal. He also really messes with Latin script, although he does use the Latin script in English. He doesn't really mess with naming the letters of the Latin script. They're called A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and so on. But it calls them differently. It calls them like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, N, I, J, K, and so on. Is dumb in communications.
Yan na siguro yung taxi anak ko.
Yep, I think that's the taxi.
Yeah?
And yep, it is.
Oh, wait ka there. Take care. Love you. Aligaw na. Hi guys, andito na naman kami sa kagubatan. Kasama ko si Daddy El. Kasi ituturo niya sa akin yung daan pauwi. Hindi na kailangang bumalik dito. Kasi noong nakaraan ay kung umuwi pagkagaling ko dito tapos ikot sa kabila, hindi ako tumuloy kasi baka mawala ako. Sakto pala mga-videohan ko ulit yung river pero baka hindi na ganun kataas. Sabi kasi ni Kon nung pinanood niya yung video, maganda daw yung tunog. I-loop mo yan mami, sabi niya, kasi mas maganda kung landscape, sabi. Kaya try ko. Siyempre i-check ko muna itong basurahan dito. Ay, mataas pa yun ang tubig. Wali, pinagkainan lang ng saging ulit. Pinapaliguan niya yung kabayo, guys. Ito, guys, yung dinaanan ko noong nakaraang araw, kaso bumalik ako. Ngayon may magtuturo na sa akin. Dinala ko itong panungkit kasi may nakita akong latan noong nakaraan. Ayan, baka may deposit. May panungkit pala sana ako, no, yung pang basurero talaga. Hindi ko makita kung may deposit. Straight or left turn? Huh? Ah, okay. So ayan, guys, nagpapahinga pa yung tourist guide ko, lol. Nagbubuting-ting ng phone. So ako, i-check ko muna itong basurahan dito. Wali ka, papalit lang nila ng mga plastic. Kaya yung chinek ko doon na dalawa. Walang gumamela to, pero hindi. Access na hindi. Umiinom na pala ng cola. Mababa ang legend to. How low? Huh? And going down. Oh. Hindi na naman pala kami nagkaintindihan. Sabi niya, tuturuan niya ako pa uwi. Ngayon, uuwi na daw kami. Tapos babalik din kami doon. Tsaka ito mababa ang asukal nito. Kaya akong magsasuffer. Magkaaway kami, makulit siya. Ituturo daw niya kung paano umuwi. Paano? Babalik din kami. Andito na ako last time Naluloka na naman ako. Sobrang layo pa daw kung lalakarin pa namin. Useless. So you will just point? Point left, right, straight like that, then it's useless. I thought you will teach me because that's what you told me. I can't follow Google Maps nga, Rod. I used na last time, I was there na. And I said, maybe I was right that we passed na that before. Me and Kun. And then there, we will walk there. Fook. And then it's useless. Let's go home na. Or you go home. Go home na. I'll simply go on. Follow what? I don't know the way. I'll just go somewhere. And you go home now. You go back home na. You will follow me. It's you nga who will teach me the way. And then you will follow me. Nakakaloka. Ako kung maglalakad ako mag-isa, hindi ko mararamdaman yung pagod ko. Kahit maglakad ako buong araw. Mapapagod ako sa stress or pagsisermon or pagkikipagtalo. And I don't need that. Hindi pala kami nakagkaintindihan na naman. Or talagang makulit lang siya. Ganito kasi to makulit. Matigas ang ulo. Mas makulit kapag mababa ang asukal niya. Remember the video that I sent to you? I was here na oh. I walked here before with Kun. And then there. Here, oh, we walked there. We passed the bridge and then we came back. And then we walked there. Then I know na, you don't need not to teach me. I thought you know, other way. I can follow na that. Now, where are you going?
I'm going to the
For what? What? Then drink it. Didn't you bring your sugar? You don't have sugar? Oh, take na. You have one bottle of cola there? One tin? Oh, I have one here, but I don't have no cookies. I told you to bring your sugar always.
What do you have for cola? Yellow?
What?
Yellow cola?
I don't know. No, it's Pepsi also. Does it matter? It's also Pepsi. Ayan, may ibibigay pa pala ako kung sakaling mababa pa. Nakuha ko dito sa jacket ko. Kasi naibigay ko na yung binaon kong cookies para sa kanya tsaka cola. Pero baon ko talaga yun para sa kanya. Lagi akong may bit-bit na drinks at cookies para kung sakaling mababa yung vigil niya. Meron. Pero may dala din siya. Pero minsan kulang. May stress ako kasi hindi niya ma-measure yung vigil niya. But yes, you sit here and check. Watch more your steps. It's going up, oh. Ito guys, nakaupo na rin ako. Nagpapahinga habang hinihintay namin umandar ulit yung pag-measure ng sensor niya. Medyo malayo-layo pa rin yung lalakarin namin pabalik eh. Baka mababa pa yung asukal niya. How long pa? Huh? Almost 2 minutes pa. Wait ng 10 minutes bago pwedeng i-measure ulit. Oh, very low pa pala, still?
4.7.
You went very low pala. Not only 5 when you told me. Or you said pala it's going low pa.
Yeah.
That's why I suffered na naman. You're so masungit. Now, is still going low? Or is still low only? Or it shows going low pa?
Level.
Level na, but still low.
Mm-hmm.
But you had na the chocolate and candies.
Mm-hmm.
Wait pa ng 10 minutes and then we go na. But of course, if you don't have sugar na, I can knock here on the door.
But still one thing.
There's house here. There are houses here. I hope they're home. I can ask help. Huh? You still have sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Yan ang buhay ko, guys. Dati, nakikipagmatigasan din ako kapag sinusungitan niya ako, sinisigawan, tinutulak. Hanggang sa nasanay na ako at napag-aralan ko na ganun pala kapag sobrang baba na yung blood sugar niya. Hindi na niya alam yung ginagawa niya. Pero syempre minsan napapasigaw pa rin ako, nai-stress pa rin ako kasi makulit. Ayaw niya minsan uminom, ayaw niyang kumain. May trauma na ako na halos ma-coma na siya noon. Sobrang baba. Ano kaya ito? Oops. Ako naman yata dito ang mahulog at maano. You took video? Ha? Panorama? Ah.
Going up.
Good. Let's go home na.
Yeah.
Pabalik na kami, guys. Dito din sa dating dinaanan namin. Hindi na kami pumunta doon sa malayong daan pauwi. Kasi syempre mababa na yung asukal nito kanina Worried din ako. Yan, nag-stop. Tapos mag-stop pa doon mamaya bago kami makarating ng bahay. Oh, dalawa na sila. Or tinuturuan niya siguro.
No, the cows that were there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
But you pointed this.
Yeah, this fence.
Yeah, because I said there's no fence. That's why we didn't go.
Yeah, but there was fence.
Yeah?
Yeah. But,
Like this? And then?
but with metal poles instead of wooden poles.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So we can go there next time. Kun can look next time. Show what? Show this or show there? No, I'm not going there na.
No, I also not going there, but I can show you.
Later. Yung ano kasi guys, nadaanan naming baka nun. Siyempre kahit may baka sa Pinas, sabi ko takot ako. Hello. Walang bakod Nakaano pala sila. Nakatali. Check ko ulit yung basurahan, baka may nagtapon na. Lata. Keep there, oh. I just noticed it. Sino pa rin. Dito na nga lang pala ako tatakbo. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-workout guys. Kahit naglalakad ako araw-araw or halos araw-araw, hindi pa sapat. Mas mabilis akong mag-lose ng weight kapag may workout, tsaka hindi na sarabosab yung pagkain ko. There's message. Oh, fuck. Please read. Para kung ano nito, timang. The beach. It's not easy. May hawak akong phone. Check ko pa to. Wali kita. So, last stop dito guys para sa aking amo. Tapos, malapit na kami sa bahay. So, ito guys, nasa bahay na po kami. Magme-merienda kami, or ako. Ito, kakain ako ng cracker. Tsaka ito, juice. Juice to ni kun, kaso ayaw niya. Naghanap kasi ako ng mas murang juice, ito brand, house brand, kaso ayaw niya. Pagkasabihin niyo, sobrang kulikot naman yung sita. Hindi naman siya ganun, kailangan talaga. Tsaka why not kung magustuhan niyo yung mas mura, diba? Ayan guys, nagsi-second lunch si Kun, lugaw.
And also, I made a wrap at school in the cooking class. I already took some bites out of the wrap, but I brought the rest as takeout.
For you or for mommy or for you and me, Lola?
For me.
Okay.
Maybe I could also share some with you.
Okay, thank you. Ano, sige, eat mo nga rin pa, busin mo pa
Lugaw.
lugaw. Bye guys! Thank you for watching.
Bye po! Mwah.